So let me show you how to align a table in the center on your Google Docs document. So in Google Docs, let's say you have a table. So I'm just gonna quickly create a table here. So let's create a table like that. Okay, so there's our table. Now, by default, this table is aligned on the left-hand side. So you can tell it's on the left-hand side because when you resize some of these cells, you'll notice it aligns to the left-hand side. You can see that. So even if I move this to the right like this, and this to the right like this, it's going to basically by default align it to the left. So what you need to do is right click on the table and then select table properties, or rather table options. So click on that. So that's going to bring you table options on the right hand side. So go to table, and then under table, make sure you click on alignment. You can see the alignment area. We have left, center, and right. So click on center, and that's going to align your table in the center. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.